Hello, my name is Lwilson. I'm just gonna discuss a few points regarding companies. Companies have to be registered with HM revenue for corporation tax purposes. When you register for corporation tax, they give you a unique tax reference for the company. You also have to register for VAT with HM revenue if your expected income is over £80,000 per year. If you anticipate that your income is gonna be about or over that, you can register in advance before you even get to that far. They also call registration under voluntary means. That means you can come in to you can register for VAT, and when you feel that no, you won't reach that £80,000 mark, you can deregister. It's free. There's no penalty for that. But associated with VAT, they have to have every 3 months what they call quarterly returns, which you have to submit to HM revenue online. You tell them how much you earned, how much VAT you collected. Against that, you deduct your expenses connected with your job and your VAT paid for those expenses. If it results in too much VAT collected for your sales, you pay the difference to the government. If it's the other way around, you claim VAT refund from the government every 3 months. You also have to register for your company at Companies House. They will give you a company number, and you have to abide by their rules as well. So you have two separate departments operating independently. Now, when you register for the company at Companies House, you have to provide online 3 things every year. First one is annual return, which just tells you who the director, who the secretary is, whatever, who owns the shares of the company, and any changes that might have occurred through the year. That's the annual return. Then you have company accounts, which covers the first 12 months of trading. You have to tell them within 9 months after the end of the trading period by either submitting online, or if you didn't trade at all, you have to submit also what they call dormant account. That means there was no activity. Then the third information required by them is to tell them any changes that have happened over the year by submitting appropriate returns, either paper form or online. The paper form is quite expensive. The online is relatively cheaper. So most people go for online information service. The set of accounts you prepare for Company House, it should be the same set of accounts you submit to HM revenue, where they will then tax you if you have to pay tax. If you make a loss, you carry the loss forward to the next financial year. Now, both HM revenue and Company House have got rigorous penalty schedule regimes. For example, if you miss filing returns on time, there's a penalty for that. For HM revenue, it starts at £100. For Company House, it starts at £150, escalating. And also the directors can be penalized for not taking appropriate action within time. Now, these specific key points are very vital. In addition to what I've just briefly said, each company has to continuously monitor events for its own company. It has to keep a diary of what is due and when. If a tax is due, you have to pay it within time, or else you pay the penalty plus interest for late payment. For filing returns on time and updating your records on time. Now, it's very difficult for companies to maintain that kind of reliable package. So we are available to keep a record of each company, keep track of what is required, file online on behalf of the client after agreeing each action as and when necessary. So you are welcome to contact me by telephone. My telephone number is 079 600 55298. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day.